welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to invoice and accept card payments in Revolut Pro for freelancers. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to invoice with Revolut Pro, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Revolut Pro. So once you open it, all you gotta do now is simply get logged in into it. So after doing this, you need to go to the account section in the main Revolut website or app. After this, you need to select the Pro section and tap on New Sale. After you have done this, you need to simply choose the invoice to fill in the details. Now, simply tap on Preview and hit the Send button. To accept card payments, you can use online methods like payment links and custom invoices, or in-person options like Tap to Pay on iPhone or a physical Revolut card reader. So once you have done this, you can simply get the invoice and accept card payments in Revolut Pro in Freelancers. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.